Traveling nowadays is not that glamorous anymore. People just basically want to get to their final destination as easily and smoothly as possible. Most of the existing airline apps, they're based on individual flights or doing tasks during the journey. But with Finnair mobile app, we wanted to restructure it from the passenger's point of view, following the natural flow of the journey. People who travel frequently, like business travelers or people who just have to travel a lot, they want to basically optimize how they travel. So getting rid of extra time at the airport and waiting in queues, that was our target audience. At the beginning of the design phase, we concluded that it's necessary to include the journey as a whole. The design process basically starts with understanding the context. We usually start with interviews. We try to find what kind of different cases there are when people travel. What are the different situations people face? We do quite a lot of benchmarking. We see what the weaknesses of existing solutions are and try to improve on those to get a competitive edge, basically. We move along quite quickly with just doing the initial designs with pen and paper, because that's usually the quickest way to get something that we can test with the users and show to the customer as well. When we start to figure out this is the basic functionality that needs to be included in the app, we bring in the visual side and the tonality and start to basically rephrase it to be something understandable for the customers and something that just feels right instead of just being a utility app. For a traveling app, people interact it in very different situations. So if your travel is happening in a week or so, you'll basically just be interested that everything is set up correctly. You might be interested in purchasing an upgrade for some part of the journey. But when you're at the airport, you just basically want to know where to go next and when. So we needed to support both of these angles in a natural way. When traveling myself, I notice people using the app, and that's always the best feedback a designer can get.